Are you struggling to watch for changes in an object with RxJS 5? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to effectively observe object changes and keep all your subscribers informed. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you want to track changes in an object, but the tools you need seem to be missing. Many developers have faced this challenge, especially with the changes in RxJS 5. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to watch over an object so that all subscribers are informed of any changes. They mentioned that previous solutions are outdated since RxJS 5 no longer includes the object changes method. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? In RxJS 5, the lack of a built-in method for observing object changes can make it tricky to keep track of updates. But don't worry, there are elegant solutions we can implement to achieve this functionality. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick that will make your object observation even smoother. To watch for changes in an object using RxJS 5, the user can start by creating a new observable. This observable will emit values whenever the object changes. Next, the user should implement a mechanism to detect changes in the object. This can be done by using a setter function that notifies the observable whenever the object is updated. Now, the user can subscribe to the observable. This allows any changes to the object to be communicated to all subscribers. Finally, the user can test the implementation by changing the object's key and observing the output in the console. This confirms that the subscribers are notified of the changes. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of observables comes from the world of functional programming? It's fascinating how these ideas have evolved in modern frameworks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach, suggested by a user, involves using a factory function similar to Redux. This method allows you to manage object changes in a structured way. You create an observable for actions and a state observable that updates based on those actions. In this example, the user defines actions like add and subtract and dispatches them to update the state. The state observable can be subscribed to, allowing you to react to changes. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution to watch object changes with RxJS 5 is to use a behavior subject. This allows you to create an observable that can emit the current value and any subsequent changes. Here's that neat trick I promised. Consider using a library like mobx or immer for more complex state management. They can simplify your life when dealing with object changes. And there you have it. You now have the tools to watch for object changes in RxJS 5 effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on RxJS and beyond.